Scott Moore's class was one of the strongest pickleball classes that I've taken. My game is definitely improving, and I cannot wait for another class to take with Scott.
Hello friends, my name's Bill, and I wake up every morning trying to figure out how I can get better at the game of pickleball. Pickleball Masterclass has certainly helped me do that. Really, a nice thing about Pickleball Masterclass is that they give you instruction, then demonstration. They'll give you even drills to do or a game to play. I can refer to it anytime I'd like to, which is a big benefit. If I want to work on something specific, I'll just watch the video, go to the courts, and work on it. So I would highly recommend Pickleball Masterclass.
I'm Rick, and like most of you out there, I'm an avid pickleball player, so I'm always looking for the next way to improve my skill level so that I can play better, beat my friends a little bit more often, and have more fun. So when I came across the opportunity to purchase Scott Moore's Pickleball Masterclass online video series, I didn't have to think twice. Most of you know Scott to be the best senior player in the history of the game, but in addition to being a fantastic player, he and his son Daniel are also outstanding teachers. All the lessons they provide are very clear, concise, easy to understand, and very easy to transfer out onto the court for either practice or gameplay. Let me give you one quick example of how Scott has improved my game. Before starting the Pickleball Masterclass series, I'd never even attempted a backhand serve before, but once I saw Scott's video a couple times, I said, let's give it a try, and I was amazed at how quickly I picked up his technique and how accurate and consistent it's become in a very short period of time. Now the backhand serve is a big part of my game, definitely led to a lot of improvement on my part. I encourage any of you guys that are students of the game that want to get better, check out Scott's Pickleball Masterclass series. The best part is that you go at your own pace. You can watch it wherever, whenever you like. You can repeat any of the lessons as often as you like. Check it out. I think you'll really like it.